Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 437. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest and everything. Just getting my notebook and actually, where's my pencil? Well, that's I had my notebook ready, but not, oh, there it is. Yeah, getting my pencil and notebook ready for the contest with 35 seconds to go. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest and everything. I don't know what I'm trying to do a little bit better, but it's also okay if I don't. A lot of silly mistakes on the bi-weekly, so hopefully I just clean it up. That's my goal for this one. This is a live recording of me doing the contest, obviously. The explanations will be in its own video, so definitely check that out. Yeah, that's all I have for now, since we have about 4 seconds to go. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Two. So exactly. Okay, right? So I'm gonna. Oh wait, it has to be exactly. So I was gonna write something like exactly is a little bit annoying, but okay. Actually, that's not bad. Length of list. I always forget. Alright. Another problem. Okay. Is it max or min? Max, okay. I was confused. You would think if you're trying to eat pizza, you'd try to get min weight, but okay. I guess that's a little bit awkward, but okay. So that means greedy, right? So on odd days, that's straightforward. I think greedy works, but can't prove it. Or at least to be greedy per thing. How would you think about the second one, right? The smallest numbers don't matter. So then now, exchange argument, you skip, you eat. No, then you could exchange it for skipping and then eating, right? So if you have, like I said, we ignore the last 2 numbers, then now you have 100 and 1. In this case, you would maybe something like 2, 1. In this case, you would choose 2, 1 and then keep the 9, so then you eat the 9, right? I think this one's harder than it looks because of this. It's not greedy. Otherwise people would have gotten it already. frankly. No, it's not clear that no one has gotten it, but okay, focus. So in this case, you these two, and then this one is quite optimal. So now how do we do it? Do we look at just the top 3 and go? So the exchange argument is that so let's say this is already on a even index, then the exchange argument would be on whether 9, 1 and then 2 is better than 9, 2 and then 1, or 2, 1 and then 9, which this would give 2. Now this would be 1 plus 2, this would be 1 plus 9, right? But then how do you order it in a consistent way then? Like how further down do you go? How further down do you go? Okay, when the odd goes, you always want the biggest number. That's fine. But then when you have the even, you always want the third number? Yes, because you get the next number anyway, so then it's always out just 3 numbers. Okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay, so you throw away the first. Right, so okay, so then now score is equal to pop, the biggest number. Okay, and then now we do the swap, right? Okay, so here, if length of Q is greater than or equal to 8, then we do have a choice. Okay, so actually the equivalence, if this is exactly 4, then we have no choice. So then here we have Q dot pop left, Q dot pop left. We take the second biggest, so score we add it by well, Q dot pop left, and then we just Q dot pop left, and then we can probably continue or break, but it's the same thing because it will end the loop. But then now with this 8, right? So then 8, there are last 3, right? So that means that we do it 8 numbers at a time, and that is going to be 5 of those numbers don't matter, and then we only care about the last 3, right? Yeah. And then now we just take either the first or the Oh, this doesn't make sense, right? Then you always want to, is it always want to be greedy? I don't get it then. No, because if you have something like 8, right, then here, you do want to take the 9 and then the 8, right? So I did this math wrong a little bit. Because the taking, what am I writing here? Okay, so we take the 9 and the 1, so I wrote it wrong. So then we take the 9 plus 2, and then here we take the 2 plus 2 plus 9? That doesn't make sense, does it? No, 2 plus 1. We take this, oh no. I messed this up again. You wouldn't take, okay, so 9 2 1, you would take either you take the 2 1 and then 9, which gives you 1 plus 9, or you would take 9 2 and then 1, which is 1 plus 2, but that's not 1. You do 9 1 and then 2, which is also going to be 1 plus 2. Right? Does this ever change? So we have 9 8 1. First we do 9 8. That's into 1. That's going to be 1 plus 8. If we do 8 1 into 9, that's going to be 8 plus, oh no, 1 plus 9. So that's definitely more optimal. So definitely that already changed. Maybe, I don't know anymore. Am I consistent here? I think there's one more, which is that we do 9 1 and then 8, which is actually 1 plus 8. So we just do the 3 combinations then, right? So then here we have score, we add it by max of, let's see, the biggest number is going to be in the front, so it's going to be R1 plus, so okay, so we take the biggest 2 numbers and then R2, or we take these 2, so R2 plus R1, which is the same, okay, not useful. Also I did this in the wrong order, I think that's why it's confusing. But okay, and then the last one is if you take R2 plus R0, but that's always going, I don't get it, but that always simplifies, right? So am I doing it wrong? I guess so. I think I should have gotten a wrong answer earlier, so that I feel like I'm missing a case. Like that's why I really want to do it, because this 5 minutes will save me some time if I had just done it earlier, right? Okay, so here we have print q. Here's what I meant to say. That's why I kind of submitted, because I think I was taking too long. Okay, so you have this thing, you go 554. Oh no, this is wrong, because then here we can't get 5. Yeah, this is wrong. I thought I could simplify it this way, but a lot of people got it actually. Oh man, I lost my case. But I could see where I was wrong. But I don't know how to do it necessarily. I think my idea is not right. The first one is fine. Like you may take stuff from the middle just so that you have the max up front, right? I don't know how to do that necessarily. I'm really bad today. 20. A lot of people got the other ones. 200 people got it already, so I'm just really bad today. Okay, this is still true, and then we have 8, but that's not even necessarily a good thing. You sacrifice half the numbers no matter what. So then now Yeah, you wouldn't do it this way. You would say, okay. I don't know why I'm so bad. It is what it is. So then now, if I have this, then now I pop left to get rid of smallest number, and then now maybe on the smallest thing we kind of swap the order, which is a little bit confusing. Okay, so then now if there are two left, then we're good. Otherwise, we take the two smallest number maybe. I wish I had that case that I lost, because that is just dumb of me to give away. I thought I had it on my thing, but on my paste. Yeah, q.pop, and then so score we added by this, and then q.pop again, and then we do right. So that's the idea, but I don't know that this is right. It's not even right for the input, which is good, actually, honestly. Oh, wait, this is because I didn't divide it by 2. Okay. Still wrong, which is good, honestly, because I'd rather it be wrong now. But it shouldn't be wrong in this way, so that's actually awkward. We got rid of this. We did the 8 plus. Oh, this 2, and then this is pop. Yep. Okay, is this wrong? Probably, honestly. I didn't even get this print statement to work, so I YOLO submit. Okay, I think this is the same wrong answer, which is that's the part that sucks. But I feel like I'm gonna spend more time debugging it otherwise. So I feel like it is what it is. I am just having a tough day. That's okay. If your tough days are tough, then you know you just have to have good days to make up for it. Hopefully, I'll have more good days in the future. I don't know why I'm struggling though. Okay, so you start with right? Here. Oh, we expect 15, huh? So we have 5. Next, we're doing even. We're doing even, then don't we do 5 and 4? And then we get rid of the 5. Oh, I guess you could do 5, 5, and then 5, 4. Oh, Then how do you do it? Okay. I don't know. Why am I so bad at it today? Okay, so my idea was wrong as well. I could have tested for this, but it's fine. Okay. Sometimes you just need a hint. Okay, so so the gradient the other way is wrong as well. In that, yeah. I see. I think I get it. Okay, so here we just need to do the count, right? So maybe that's the way to do it. I'm just bad, right? So n is equal to number of pieces. So then now that means that we will have n over 2 plus 1 odd ones, right? So odd ones. and then how do you do it? And then even ones we wanted to pick well, this is an add. Even once we want to pop this, well, we have to pop it, but then we also want to pop the second one, right? Isn't that already even? Line 15. Okay, so if n is if there 5. Okay, so this is always is a even number actually, right? So n, yeah, because it's a multiple of 4, so it's a multiple of 2. So this shouldn't matter. But then why is it doing it this way? And they should be the same. Why? N over 2. Oh, n is the new thing, not the old thing. Okay, so then now. Wait, no, n is the new. But if we delete 2 things each, n is okay, now it's just really wrong for this one anyway. Why? Why am I so bad at it today? I don't know. Okay, there's still numbers left, is why. Maybe this does need to be there. Okay. I'm not critically thinking today. Hopefully this is right though. This could still be wrong. Okay. That was a hard one. I am not doing well. Let's see how down thousands we are. 1,000. Okay. Well, 15 or kill already, so we're a little bit behind. Okay. K disjoint special. I need some water. I ran out of water. Today is a bad day. Okay. Focus. $72 Bill got this one. I don't know what's going on. Okay. K is at most 26. Okay. With N is some big number, biggish number. Okay, so so we have to do so segments, right? Yeah, so it's just segments. Number of disjoint segments, maybe. Yeah. Well, maybe, but you have to choose them, right? And here you have C, but you don't need to do C. That's the end, or the D, right? So that is the key part. So then sweep line dp max. Okay, yeah, I think that sounds right. 26 times n. Yeah, okay. Right, okay, and then now we have just sweep line, right? We have a new character. Something like this. Actually, I like. It's a little bit tricky, actually. I don't know yet. Something like that. It's a little bit awkward, but. And now we parse, right? Something like best so far. So basically, no, I don't want it this way. I want it in a heap. Okay. We want to say first C, right? And then now alright, you can solve this, Larry. Just take your time. I don't know what the other one gave you so much trouble because it's just one of those ad hoc ones, but it is what it is. So this is the current timer, and then this is the thing, the character, right? Let's just say +1 and the best so far, which is okay, yeah. Maybe T for type. This doesn't actually matter, right? So we want to do last of C, I guess C the -1, right? So a T, no, this is not -1. What we want is the new most so far. Okay. So it's going to be most so far +1. That's what we want. And then I guess that's it. Most so far. Okay. So on T, if what am I doing? Okay, so if T is equal to 1, then now we want to enqueue this thing for sure. And most so far, okay, fine, right? else, then m is equal to max of m. Whoops. Right, and then here just return most. Something like that. True, false, true. K is 0. Do I have the special case 0? Oh yeah, I guess I don't, but here I can terminate early anyway. Did I misunderstood this form? Why is this? Why am I returning true? Man, I am just struggling today, am I? Okay, why is that? So okay, so 0 we do the B, J, the B, the B goes out at 4. Do I not add something at 4 for B? Did I mess something up? Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay, so B is actually B is actually, is B even here? B is 6. Okay, so at 6, maybe the order matters. I think that's maybe why. 6 and 6. This doesn't make any sense. So I'm short by 1. Am I short by 1 though? No, because everything is inclusive, right? Like of the bound, so it shouldn't matter. Okay, so then now after 1, B is 6. After n, B and n. Yeah, B and let's not early terminate yet. Then what happens? So 6 is true. Why? So okay, so I have B and K. B and K re C A. No, D is not right. Z is right. Well, A already changed it to 6, so we're done, right? What did I say? I need a notebook for this. This should be right. I don't get it. Or am I understanding it wrong? B and V C A. Am I off by 1? B and oh, I missed a K. K V C A. Right? What is the input? B and K V. I misunderstood this problem. I mean, I did actually miss the case where the substring is the entire S, actually, but I don't get it. A lot of people got it already. I actually honestly do not get it. I mean, there is this DT thing at the end. Do I use D? No, I don't use D, right? So confused. Even though we have to get rid of this though, which is that it takes the entire substring. So yeah, so so we have to get rid of so that would have given me a wrong answer anyway, but so yeah, maybe it's a freebie. So we just make it not possible. But man, I am not a good programmer today. I don't get it. So we have BNKVCA, right? I mean, I'm guessing BN BNVC I missed a K, but that's okay. A K. I don't get it. What am I misunderstanding about this problem? Oh, and I misread that part actually. Okay, no, okay, fine. Because you, or in this case, even just any characters inside. Okay, I misunderstood this part. Because G is outside. Okay, that means that. Okay, because I generally okay, I misunderstood this one. I am so bad today in just reading poems. But because I was looking at this one and C we cannot do because it takes the entire substring, and then D. Okay. So we can't do it character by character quite like this. But we could do the set intersection, right? So okay, fine. Okay. Same idea, but we just have to be a little bit smarter. Okay. Okay. For key in first dot keys, right? So then now we want to say yeah, 26 cube is fine, right? And while changed why am I so bad today? But well, it is what it is. So we only merge if it overlaps but not completely dominating, right? Okay, that's the part that I was a little bit lazy on. Okay, so yeah, okay, if That means there's an intersection, but we want then now we merge them and we break. Okay, then we merge them. Doesn't really matter which one, but we have to do the overlap thing, right? So, okay. I am so bad today. I don't know if I have time even for the other ones. I misunderstood this one. Otherwise we merge. It's very wonky, but the idea should be right. Let me do this one. I don't know anymore. Still true. That's not great. BO. Oh, going from 12 to 13 is definitely not right. Oh no, this is the wrong one. That's why. That's fine. Otherwise we merge them, so then now merging them is looking like this instead. It's still true though, huh? Yeah, B and K, we is not right. We needs to merge with U, right? We have to see where this is the case. I'm just really bad today. Okay. Merge with a lot of stuff. Is this N? I mean, we keep merging. Do I not delete correctly? We brick. Oh, maybe we just... Wait, that wasn't a real merge. Okay, so we merged J and L, but the V and U should merge. Oh. No, that doesn't make sense. Where's the... T and U merge. Oh, the T and U would merge, which creates a super T, which we don't do the V on. Oh man, that's not the right way to do it then. What is the right way to do it then? Because we want to merge, but we also want to preserve that you could keep inner self things. I think that's the problem. Like T and U should not merge, but V and U has to, right? And the T and U has to. So we have to solve it for each one, which is maybe fine. Okay. I try to solve it this way. This is definitely not good enough, right? How do I do it? I guess 26n is fine, right? How many people got queued for? 151, so I'm really behind today. Just not having a good day. Okay, so we want to do we have to get U, right? And we do U, we have to get all these characters. So why doesn't that work? Oh, because we did the TU first. That's the confusion. Instead we do the TU. So we can't just do the segment frame because for every, and it's not even just overlaps, because it has to be everything inside, right? Okay, fine. I don't know. Okay, so then now for C in, then we just solve for C, I suppose. And our worst will be 2 times 26 times n, so it should be okay, maybe. At this point, I'm happy to even just finish this one, but yeah, I don't know anymore, right? confused, but so then now we want to say doesn't even matter which direction. So then okay, and then now I don't like a weird breakfast search. X is an index, so we have have a typo somewhere. Okay, there we go. Maybe I'm just really bad today. Hopefully this is right, so I could go on Q4. Oh, so hopefully it doesn't time out. Oh man, 1. Oh, did I? No, I didn't get rid of that case. But 1 is awkward, actually. Of course, this should be true, but why wouldn't it be not right? Also, forgot early termination, but that's okay. Okay, so is we looks good, so why not we? Oh, here. Oh, because wait. Oh, expected is 4 is not true. Whoops, I misread that one actually. Okay, so I assume it's false because. Okay, why did I think it's right? It's A. It thinks A is right. What is A? Today is just such a rough day. Okay. A is 51, 51. Is that even true? Oh no, that's before I calculated the math. No, that's not. I'm looking at the right one. A is 51 for both. It doesn't even show that. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Okay. What is this? I think it's just that it takes the entire thing. Okay, well, how did I not make it take the entire thing? Okay, so, okay, I mean, that's easy. We just don't queue it, right? Yeah, I know. De Morgan. Okay. I was just too lazy with the cases. I really should have thought about that one actually. Hopefully now this is right. Or during timeout? Okay. Today's a struggle. How many people got all self? Wow, 2,000. I'm just having a rough day. Alright, we have half an hour. We'll see. The top people, well, I don't reckon. Okay, Uri got in 12 minutes, so maybe double that time for me would be reasonable, expectable. I don't know. All right, each element is 0, 1, or 2. What is going on? Oh, wait. So we have a grid. Okay, we have a grid. 0, 1, or 2. Okay, so we have a grid. I'm trying to rush it a little bit. This starts at 1. Huh? Start at a longer diagonal. Oh, I see. Reshape. This is like the most confusing graph ever. But okay. And you can make a clockwise turn. So okay, but that's fine. It's just prefix sum in a harder way. I don't think this is that hard necessarily. Whether I get it right is another story, but I don't think this is that hard. Do we always start at 1? So it starts at 1 and it goes 2, 0, 2, 0, right? What is 500 square again? The thing is that I know I could do this top down, but I feel like Leetcode is going to time out on it, so it's just silly. Like it's going to be sad. We'll see. I mean, at this current point, it doesn't even matter anymore. So here, let's go 1, 1, and then counterclockwise would be -1, and then no, and then 2, which is -1. Nope. -1, -1, and then okay. Hope this is right, but at this point I don't know that I care that much. But yeah. Yeah, I don't think this is that hard. I'm just a little bit confused as a result. And there's actually some states we have to do, but I don't know. Right, something like that. Maybe I should do this way. Maybe that's fine. The states are actually, there are a lot of states. I might have to do it too. Like, I definitely feel like I have to do it in Java, so I have to convert it to Java later. But that's fine, I suppose. Because then this would be, was it 2 first? Okay. So now we go there. We haven't turned yet. Last digit is 2. And the direction is I. Same thing, yep. That's a lot of states, actually. I mean, a lot of them are not going to be used. So, but still, it's a lot of state. Okay. You probably could pre-process this, is what I'm thinking, but I don't know. Okay, it's just take no take, right? Is this +1 actually? No, right? So, okay. Just keep going. We want this to be 2 minus last, so it swaps from 2 and 0. So if that's good, then we just keep going, right? Otherwise, turn right. out of range because I suck at I can't even write if statements anymore. I don't know how I missed this. I'm just so tired. 5, 3, 5, 1. All right, we're almost good. Not actually good though, which would be nicer. Okay, so we have this one. Yeah, okay, fine. Is this fast enough? I actually don't know. But at this point, I don't care anymore. Leetcode rating is a sham. Also, I suck. But okay. So, alright, so we have here. We want to start at. So ideally, it is 2, 3, 2, 3. Am I doing it well? 2, 3. I have to add an I, maybe. 2, 3. We want to go that way. That's plus x minus y, plus x minus y. So that's 1, right? But 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2. Okay. So that's already 2. So what's 1? This is really annoying, actually. Okay. No, I'm just trying to think. That's. I need to print out directions. Oh no, I already do. It's just order at the end. 4, 1. This is the one that we care about, I think. It goes to 3, 2, right? 2, 3 to 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, that's fine. 3, 2, 4. But it doesn't do the turn to 2, 1. I want to see it turn to 2, 1. It's just because I'm bad and I forgot to do this. I wrote it in the thingy, but then I was wrong. So okay, so that's a good catch actually. It would have been really sad to alright, let's just real quick to get it wrong. Okay, because that's just a bad typo. Well, I don't know if it's a typo, but it's still pretty bad. Is it going to time out now? I don't know. Let's hope not. I'm going to already convert this to Java. Oh, well, that's a surprise actually. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of tricky because I don't think that was a hard problem. Actually, I mean, if you look at my times, that was my easiest problem. Well, other than Q1, obviously. So I don't know. I'm just having struggles today. But yeah, because Q4 was pretty okay. But what was Q3 again? Oh, this one. Yeah, I just kind of like I made an observation that I was wrong about, and Q2 as well. I just kind of wasn't really thinking about it. It is what it is, I suppose. You go through stretches like this, and yeah, and we have 20 minutes of penalty, so it's gonna be very sad until until that happens. What is there to say? I mean, Q4. let's actually double check real quick. Oh, actually 4 seconds not that bad. I thought it maybe was, honestly. I even had the Java solution. Well, I already did it because I didn't care about the penalty, but because I already struggled it. But and this. I don't know that this is fast enough because it uses cache. It uses a string as cache. But I am just curious for science. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually not surprised, but I think it's just because of this thing, honestly. Because that thing is always a little bit awkward. Huh, time limit, I expected memory limit actually. Maybe, I don't know. It's definitely just very awkward in general. Ooh. Oh, because I have a -1 somewhere. This is just wrong, right? Oh, no, because it maps on the last -1, but the last actually do. Is it? Actually, I think this is like really weird and awkward, but I see. I know what they're trying to do, but yeah, maybe not. Kind of funny, actually. This is the time where if I actually did do it this way, it would have been really sad. Let's see if this is fast enough. Ooh, wrong answer. I mean, it's kind of funny because, well, I mean, I don't know. I didn't really look at this code, so it's possible that it's just doing crazy things, right? 2, I guess this actually makes sense. I actually don't know why this is wrong per se. I don't think there's any longs, like overflows, underflows. Probably don't need this anymore, but actually, no, I don't know why this is wrong. I mean, I probably could guess it, but X, Y. Oh, because it got rid of used. Oh, man. Come on, Chatgpt. Come on, Chatgpt. How do you get rid of a variable? If it times out, then but okay. I don't know. So it would have cost me something if I converted to Java. Just maybe I would, because I don't think I would have debugged these. Well, the string one I would have tried to convert it, but then the wrong answer I might not have noticed. But yeah, it's just much faster, right? Yeah, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Kind of a rough contest, but yeah, stay good, stay healthy, do mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.